So I want to give you guys a couple heads up. Whenever you're hiring a contractor to do a job, pay very close attention to what he's doing it. Right here, they did a tile on top of tile. So you guys look over here. This is one tile, this is another tile. Same thing on top, tile and tile. Don't ever hire a person who's going to do tile on top of tile. In the construction industry, it's very corrupted because people like to save time in order to make more money. So in a property like this, in a huge pool that is about 200 linear feet, people would like to come in and install tile on top of tile, so they could have saved about 3 to 4 days of work. But let's do it right. Whenever anybody's going to do tile, make them remove the tile, skim the wall, and then install the tile again. Otherwise, because tile is done every 15, 20, 30 years depending on the condition of the tile and depending who installed, you want to make sure that the wall and the cement is good so your tile can hold. Therefore, every time you guys are going to renovate and put in new tile in your pool or anywhere in your house, remove the current tile, skim the wall, and install the new tile. Alright guys, so I just want to show you the new tile. I showed you previously how it was messed up, how we had to build the whole wall again. We built the wall for the gutters, we put in brand new tile right here on the water line, right here on top of it. We're putting the tin set to glue the tile, we're putting the grout to fix it. It looks beautiful. This is the correct job. Whenever you're doing a job, never cut corners, do the right thing the first time.